If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
All right, sorry for the introduction. Now, what if I told you that there's a way that you can trade with very low risk and we trade patterns? What if I'm searching for a pattern and I tell you to trade a pattern like this was Kishu that we trade actually, and then I give you some very quick updates in a very simple place, in one place at all, and these quick updates can help you to trade with me. Okay, whenever I trade, you trade with me, and I use my experience and my best knowledge, which you have been looking at, and you get to do the same with proper money management, and you get more chances of winning, which actually give you more guidance, and you don't have to be worried about your daily routine. It doesn't actually get disturbed. Now all you have to do is just come down to the description of the video, scroll down, go to the signals agreement, you see this video and you agree to the agreement. It's a very simple, very straightforward agreement, nothing big, and then you click on Discord and you join the Discord. Now once you have joined the Discord, all you have to do is go to the announcement tab and click on my name, Adam Coins, and all you do is you can click on message and you message me if you want to join and you're interested. So the entries. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update today, and I just saw this weekly pattern and I think we can talk about it. So on the weekly time frame we are looking quite positive, but we're gonna see. The daily actually shows too many divergence on the daily. The RSI looks a little bit weird to me, and at this point of time I think the weekly is the only thing that is positive right now. If you look at the weekly, this is the only thing I see from it. So you do have this resistance acting upon right there, and this resistance acting here as well, and you also had this bearish candles known as stalled candlestick pattern, and a little bit of that retracement down there. So the weekly time frame is really good for Bitcoin. And if we talk about this weekly time frame, it does show a technical target. I'm just going to turn off the log scale here, and it might be a target to push it up to again 32,000. Bitcoin still does show $32,000. I think one way to look at things is if Bitcoin comes below $21,302, then we might be in some trouble. And actually coming down means that if you close below 21,341, no wicks, no nothing, but if you just come down like this, push down, lose this price level, come back for the retest, get rejected here, and then it could be a very big drop from there, right? So that's one thing I do see. The second thing is right now, one thing on the weekly, we have 2 days, 12 hours to close the weekly candlestick pattern. And this candlestick that is being formed right now, this green candle, and next to it the red candle that we have, results into a bearish Harami candlestick pattern, and that's actually a bearish candle. But however, we could have the next week coming a little bit lower to 23,360 and try to retest the line properly, because I like when the prices hugs the trend line and they try to go down and retest things properly. So maybe come down, make a doji closing like this, and then from there try to move up to $32,000. That's one thing. But I'm going to tell you that be extra careful in the next 6 days, because February, as I've spoken in so many updates, February is really important, and February sets the tone of where the direction of Bitcoin is going to be. So if we start to come down, lose all these price targets and go to $18,000 and come to $18,000, we're going to be in a very serious trouble. We're going to be in serious trouble. Maybe perhaps it could be that you even continue lower all the way down to $10,000 as well. So at this point, the market is just so shuffled up, honestly. But we still gotta go with logic. The weekly is still quite better, but we need a proper retest. I don't think this weekly retest is good enough just yet. However, coming down again to 21,341 is going to be a little bit worse for the things to happen. And let's also talk about on a weekly. I don't think there's anything important going on the smaller time frame at the moment. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Office.